being opened up. India and China wanting to invest in diamonds in a major way, and there being a shortage. Also, millionaires and billionaires buying hard assets, like obviously art, diamonds, because it's portable, private wealth. And as we mentioned on the last show, in China, over 11 million couples get married every year, and another 10 million tie the knot in India. And if one is to persuade those couples that they should celebrate engagement and marriage with diamonds, obviously the developments are just mind-boggling, to say the least. Diamonds are going to become increasingly rare as China and India continue their appetite for diamonds. And Harold, the possibilities when you start thinking about the scarcity factor with China and India getting involved in diamonds, and they're primarily talking about white diamonds. What will that do to the colored diamond market? It's going to be stunning, to say the least. RareColoredDiamonds.com, the telephone number 1-800-432-1022 to speak with Harold about diamonds. To invest in precious metals, the telephone number, and Harold, I should mention, we have 3 minutes left in the show here. The telephone number to invest in precious metals, there's only one company that Harold recommends that you use. That is Worldwide Precious Metals, a Canadian company out of Vancouver, been in business over 10 years. The entire time this bull market in precious metals has been on, they've been through the ups and the downs of the market. They are the experts in this specialized field. If you're going to invest in precious metals any way at all, they're the people to talk to first. The telephone number, 1-866-623-2002. The website, wwpmc.com. You can get our free weekly newsletter from Worldwide or from Harold. There was one story, and actually it was a chart of the week, a chart of the day that Bloomberg put out, and it really struck me this week. And I want you to see this in the newsletter. Get our newsletter. Chart of the week. 3D hurricane bears down on developed world. There's a 3D hurricane coming to the United States and other developed countries that will limit economic growth and market returns for years, according to Jason Hugh, and he's the Chief Investment Officer of Research Affiliates, LLC. Hugh used the phrase to characterize the nation's mounting debts, sustained deficit spending, obviously due to entitlement programs in the United States, and demographic shifts to an older population. And we have the chart that you can see in our newsletter. But Harold, we have about a minute left here in the show, and I agree 100%. That is the challenge for North America and even some of the European nations. Mounting debts, sustained deficit spending due to a shift in demographics. And this is something where I really don't know how it's all going to end. But austerity won't do it. Printing money won't do it. I'm not too sure how it's all going to end, but I would say people will want to have hard assets in that environment.
You bet. Again, it's never been more important. These are very confusing times and very, very dangerous. And if you're sticking with conventional investments, it's going to be very tough. Again, we've got a great track record. We only want the best for our listeners and clients. And again, that's why we make the recommendations that we do. Get the newsletter. I wish everybody a wonderful long weekend and a very, very profitable day.
Thank you, Harold. Yes, happy Canada Day to everyone, and also a Canada Day long weekend. Also, happy Independence Day to those that listen to us in the United States. Radio show runs on AM 640, 630 CHED in Edmonton. If you ever miss a show, go to Harold's website, HESradio.com. Get our newsletter from Worldwide Precious Metals or RareColoredDiamonds.com from Harold. To invest in precious metals, the website, wwpmc.com or 1-866-623-2002. Speak with Harold about diamonds, RareColoredDiamonds.com or 1-800-432-1022. That's it. Another edition of the World Financial Report on radio with Harold Siegel and me, Randy Marshall. We will talk to you next week.